Did you know that adult crows are smarter than a 4-year-old child? These black-feathered geniuses can solve puzzles, use tools, and even plan for the future, skills most animals don't have. But that's not all. Crows can remember human faces for years, hold grudges, and even warn their friends about people they don't trust. Scientists have seen them drop nuts on busy roads, letting cars crack them open. Smart, right? Oh, and they can mimic sounds, including human voices. Next time you see a crow, think twice, they might be watching you.